Good morning, everybody. This is Thomas Wood with MicroQuant. Today we're going to be looking at a few more Euro US dollar trades that we placed, just building on the one that we had from Monday. Our initial trade, you can see here as indicated by this red arrow. On the 60-minute chart, we were significantly overvalued and we shorted and then covered down here at this blue arrow. I think we had a profit of 72.4 pips there. Our next trade, we had a short value range trade essentially from the significantly overvalued price point here with this red arrow, and then we covered down at the very bottom in this moderately undervalued price zone. I believe we had a profit of 50 pips on that one. And then the last trade we had, which we started yesterday and then closed this morning, and that was, we started in this moderately overvalued price zone. We let it run all the way down till this morning. We closed it and we had a profit of a little bit over 100 pips. Total since Monday, just trading the Euro US dollar, we've had a profit of about 225 pips, I believe. It's not bad. On a $50,000 account, we have a cash gain of $4,300 or $4,400. Now, the reason we placed these trades, drilling down back to our weekly chart, which is initially what we were looking at. We saw we were significantly overvalued on the weekly chart. We also saw we were entering into this downward cycle on our MQ cycle finder. Then we went ahead and looked at our daily chart. The first trade we placed, we were significantly overvalued, and you can see it kind of stalled. The market was kind of stalling out, which can be an indication of a peak. We also were in the upper end of our stochastic, and we were entering into a downward cycle on our cycle finder. The second trade we entered, we were also moderately overvalued, and again, that one we profited about 50 pips. It was just a short trade that lasted about 4 hours at the most. And then this last trade we had from yesterday till today, you can see we were still moderately overvalued because of this upper yellow bar segment when we entered the trade. Then we had the strong move into a down cycle when we exited, and actually right now we're waiting to see if this market will pull back up into moderately overvalued to look to re-enter this trade, re-enter our positions, because I'm still pretty bearish on the Euro US dollar overall. It's still pretty overvalued on a weekly chart, so I'd look for it to pull back down to at least fair value before making a swing in the other direction. So we'll continue to follow the Euro US dollar and see how these trades turn out. And until next time, happy trading.